You are watching part 17 of the full series of Java interview questions. These are the 5 questions we are going to discuss in this session. What is runtime polymorphism? Can you achieve runtime polymorphism by data members? What is the difference between static binding and dynamic binding? What is Java instanceOf operator? What is the abstraction? First question, what is runtime polymorphism? Runtime polymorphism, or dynamic method dispatch, is a process in which a call to an overridden method is resolved at runtime rather than at compile time. In this process, an overridden method is called through the reference variable of a superclass. The determination of the method to be called is based on the object being referred to by the reference variable. Second question, can you achieve runtime polymorphism by data members? No, because method overriding is used to achieve runtime polymorphism and data members cannot be overridden. We can override the member functions but not the data members. Third question, what is the difference between static binding and dynamic binding? In case of the static binding, the type of the object is determined at compile time, whereas, in the dynamic binding, the type of the object is determined at runtime. Next question, what is Java instanceOf operator? The instanceOf in Java is also known as type comparison operator because it compares the instance with type. It returns either true or false. If we apply the instanceOf operator with any variable that has a null value, it returns false. Next question, what is the abstraction? Abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details and showing only functionality to the user. It displays just the essential things to the user and hides the internal information, for example, sending SMS where you type the text and send the message. You don't know the internal processing about the message delivery. Abstraction enables you to focus on what the object does instead of how it does it. Abstraction lets you focus on what the object does instead of how it does it. In Java, there are 2 ways to achieve the abstraction. First, abstract class. Second, interface. Hope you have learned something and feel confident to answer the questions we discussed so far. Here is the list of questions that will be discussed in the next session. Please check out our playlist for more questions and subscribe our channel for updates and notifications. Good luck for your upcoming interviews.